Hello, this is Ryan Moore. I wanted to share a custom saber that I produced from an UltraSabers grab bag that has been recently completed for a convention that I'm attending, inspired by several of the mashup and themed lightsabers, such as the Iron Man lightsaber and several other ones that have just been very impressive. I decided that for my workplace and the development tools that we use as a web development business in my company, I wanted to do a themed lightsaber that could be used as a giveaway. And so the grab bag from UltraSabers was my absolute first thought and go-to here for building something custom. That way I could plan and work around the theming and the styling without having to build and mill and do several of the other things myself. And therefore focus on the fun part, which was theming this. What you'll see here is that this is a blade or a hilt that started with the normal spot for a push button and a single blade, a single blue color, here for the blade that really came from that grab bag. But then the customizations you'll see here is that I've attached a shroud. That is a piece of metal that was able to be laser etched. One thing I found was that the titanium grade aluminum here, at least with the etching process I had available to me, was not doing a proper job doing that laser etch. So instead my workaround was to attach a shroud onto the outside edge of this where I could have the logo of that company and that development product, the DNN. Similarly, to help pick up the colors of the logo, which normally appear in blue and red and a dark brown, the ribs in the saber hilt here made a perfect spot for me to put in some enamel and put a top coat, clear coat on top of that, and it sticks and stays very, very well. Other features you'll see here are that I have two buttons because the electronics that I've put inside allow for on-off, but then also the ability to turn off sound while you're running it. I used the original port hole where the switch was to have a view on the inside for a crystal chamber of sorts type of view. And then additionally, some of the other features here then are that I changed and customized the blade plug by taking the provided blade plug and pushing down the metal piece at the end of the blade plug. So a very, very simple blade plug can look fantastic and super custom detailed by then adding in an item on top of that. Some of you electronics folks will know instantly what this is. Fairly common, but to me, a very striking and custom looking item to have in the tip of the blade plug. More importantly, it looks fantastic when it's lit up. So let me turn this on and show you a little bit about what this looks like. Again, an incredible look to it when it is lit here. But then just to show you some of the features of this customized, now UltraSabers DNN Summit Saber is my title for this. We have here, like I described, two buttons, red and blue. Blue is the sound. Just simply quiets that. You'll notice too the flickering of the light is really controlled by the sound because I'm tying that into the blade color there for the LED, and the sound makes that flickering happen, and if I turn it off then it goes completely solid. On the inside you can kind of see that crystal chamber type of area, and there's clash so that it swaps from red to blue, again themed colors for here DNN, this DNNSaber, and then it has a combo where they're both on creating a magenta. So we've got red, blue, magenta, and when the light and sound are running, it creates for a great kind of clash effect, dimming the light momentarily while it changes colors, and is in good shape there. Thanks very much. Look forward to doing more custom sabers and more things with awesome UltraSabers items as my core. Thank you.